Kicking off at number 10, did you know that the moon formerly was a part of Earth? That's right. Our serene lunar buddy was once a part of our very own planet. Picture this, a time when Earth was young, spinning in the vast expanse of space. Suddenly a colossal space rock, the size of Mars, comes hurtling towards it. The collision was so intense that a chunk of Earth was ejected into space, eventually forming the moon we see today. This theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, is widely accepted by scientists today. The moon's composition, remarkably similar to the Earth's mantle, further supports this claim. So, the next time you gaze at the moon, remember it's not just a celestial body out there. It's a piece of our home, a part of Earth's former self, a real celestial separation drama. Moving on, fact number 9. The Earth's magnetic field is a capricious entity. Just like a restless wanderer, it never stays put. This invisible force field changes and shifts, with the northern magnetic pole acting as a particularly nomadic traveler. Since the 19th century, this pole has embarked on a journey covering a staggering 685 miles across the Canadian Arctic. It's a journey that continues even today, with the pole moving at an average speed of about 34 miles per year. But why should we care about this restless wanderer? Well, this magnetic field, as fickle as it may be, plays a crucial role in our survival. It acts as Earth's shield, protecting us from the barrage of solar winds, charged particles that the sun hurls our way. So, despite its capricious nature, the Earth's magnetic field is a silent guardian, working hard round the clock to shield us from damaging solar winds. Number 8. Gravity is not consistent everywhere on our planet. The force that keeps us grounded, gravity, is not as uniform as you may think. It varies across the globe due to the uneven distribution of Earth's mass. For instance, if you were to scale the tallest peaks of the Himalayas or dive into the deepest ocean trenches, you would experience a slight change in gravity. But perhaps one of the most intriguing gravitational anomalies can be found over Canada's Hudson Bay. Here, the gravity is weaker than the global average. This anomaly is attributed to the land's slow rebound from the immense weight of ice sheets during the last ice age, which displaced mass and consequently reduced the gravity in the region. So, if you've ever wanted to feel a tad lighter, a trip to Hudson Bay might just be your answer. Another surprising detail about our fascinating planet. Jumping to the moon again with fact number 7, moonquakes are a real thing. Much like our familiar earthquakes, the moon experiences seismic shakes known as moonquakes. But these aren't just lunar versions of terrestrial tremors. They're deeper, lasting longer, and are categorized into 4 types: deep moonquakes, shallow moonquakes, thermal quakes, and meteorite impact quakes. Deep moonquakes are the most common, occurring about several hundred miles beneath the lunar surface. They're believed to be a result of the gravitational interaction between the Earth and the moon, a celestial tug-of-war of sorts. This gravitational dance causes tidal forces that stress the moon's interior, resulting in these deep quakes. Conversely, shallow moonquakes are less frequent but much stronger, reaching up to 5 on the Richter scale. Their cause remains a mystery, further adding to the intrigue of our lunar neighbor. Isn't the cosmic relationship between Earth and the moon absolutely enthralling? And now for number 6, the Earth hides vast treasures beneath its surface. Our planet, a generous host, cradles an estimated 20 million tons of gold in its depths. This titanic reserve of precious metal is dispersed throughout Earth's crust, woven into the very fabric of our planet. This colossal quantity of gold, if extracted and refined, could form a golden sphere with a diameter of over 25 meters. That's approximately the height of a 7-story building. However, most of this gold remains inaccessible. It's spread thinly and unevenly, making extraction both technologically challenging and economically unfeasible. The gold we mine today comes from just the outermost fraction of Earth's crust. The richest gold mines only skim the surface of our planet's bountiful reserves. While extraction may be challenging, it proves yet again the richness of our planet's resources. Next up, a colorful fact about our planet's past. Ever imagined a purple Earth? This might sound like a sci-fi fantasy, but according to Dr. Shiladitya Sengupta, this could have been a reality in Earth's primordial days. Here's how it works. Early life forms, known as archaic microbes, might have used a molecule called retinal to absorb sunlight and convert it into energy. A process similar to how plants use chlorophyll for photosynthesis today. Retinal, interestingly, absorbs green light and reflects back red and blue light, giving off a violet hue. Now imagine the Earth teeming with these retinal-utilizing microbes. The cumulative effect could have given our planet a purple tinge, a complete contrast to the dominant green we associate with life on Earth today. This purple Earth hypothesis presents a fascinating perspective on how life may have functioned and appeared in its nascent stages. Ancient microbes, harnessing the power of sunlight with violet molecules, could have given Earth an utterly purple facade. Now prepare to be astounded. The title of the tallest mountain is often bestowed upon Mount Everest, but there's a sleeping giant that looms even higher. Say hello to Mauna Kea, a majestic marvel tucked away in the heart of Hawaii. This underwater titan, when measured from base to peak, surpasses Everest's height. You see, Everest's height is measured from sea level, but Mauna Kea's colossal base begins deep beneath the Pacific Ocean's surface. The part of Mauna Kea that we see above water stands at about 13,800 feet tall, but its underwater base extends an additional 19,700 feet. All in all, Mauna Kea stretches over 33,000 feet from base to peak. This hidden titan is a silent reminder that our planet's most impressive features might not always be in plain sight. To truly appreciate Earth's grandeur, we must look beyond the obvious, a testament to the unsung wonders hiding beneath the ocean. Intriguing yet alarming, Earth harbors explosive crater lakes laden with carbon dioxide. These fascinating geological features are formed when a volcano erupts and collapses onto itself, creating a depression that gradually fills with water over time. But here's the twist. Beneath these picturesque waters, a silent, invisible threat lurks. The lakebed accumulates vast amounts of carbon dioxide, a byproduct of the volcanic activity beneath. This volatile gas, under certain conditions, can suddenly rise to the surface, resulting in a catastrophic explosion known as a limnic eruption. One of the most notorious examples of such a lake is Lake Nyos in Cameroon, which in 1986 emitted a large cloud of carbon dioxide that suffocated life within a 16-mile radius. As beautiful as they are dangerous, these crater lakes manifest nature's capricious side, bursting forth with lethal fury. Lastly, the most powerful volcanic eruption recorded in Earth's history occurred at Mount Tambora in 1815. This Indonesian volcano, which had been quiet for centuries, exploded with a force so violent, it sent shockwaves around the globe. The eruption was so powerful that it blasted the mountain itself apart, reducing its height by a third. The aftermath was equally catastrophic. The eruption spewed an estimated 150 cubic kilometers of ash and debris into the atmosphere. This massive outpouring blocked out sunlight, causing temperatures to plummet globally. It led to what is now known as the year without a summer, causing widespread crop failures and famine. The eruption also had far-reaching effects on global weather patterns, causing heavy rainfall in some areas and drought in others. These extreme weather conditions led to food shortages, disease outbreaks, and the displacement of many communities, an event of epic proportions claiming numerous lives and blanketing distant lands in darkness. As we uncover these lesser-known facts about our planet, we cannot help but wonder, what other secrets does Earth hold? We've journeyed through gravity anomalies, navigated the capricious magnetic field, and even unearthed hidden treasures beneath Earth's surface. We've explored the cosmic relationship between Earth and the Moon and discovered that the tallest mountain isn't the one you'd expect. We've even delved into the explosive nature of Earth's crater lakes and the catastrophic power of Mount Tambora's eruption. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a universe of knowledge waiting to be discovered. So let's keep exploring, questioning, and learning. Who knows what we might uncover next? If you have additional Earth trivia or insights, we'd love to hear from you, so drop them in the comments below. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Welcome to the fascinating world of Earth's hidden marvels.